Hello friends, I welcome you to EPG Pathshala. My name is Dr. Amit Katoj and I am working as Assistant Professor in University Institute of Hotel and Tourism Management of Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dear students, I would be taking the module on familiarization with TIM, passport visa, custom regulation, health. Under the paper, travel agency and tour operations, itinerary preparation and tour package. After the module, the learners will be able to understand Travel Information Manual, that is TIM, Timatic, that is Travel Information Manual Automatic, and IATA Travel Center. Firstly, I will start with a brief introduction. TIM, that is Travel Information Manual, has been the trusted name in the air travel industry since 1963, supplying reliable and comprehensive up-to-date country destination information on entry and health requirements as well as customs and currency regulations. IATA Netherlands Data Publication INDP publishes Travel Information Manual since its inception. The TIM booklet, which is issued on a monthly basis, offers a complete package for airline, offices, travel agents, multinationals, tour operators, and government agencies to help travelers save time and avoid fines and delays. Published by IATA, TIM is a practical and handy manual containing up-to-date entry regulations for air travelers. The TIM information is consulted by thousands of users around the world every day, including airline offices, travel agents, corporate accounts, tour operators, GDS, and government agencies. This unique manual, which lists rules and regulations for more than 216 countries, is a must for all who are involved in the travel industry. TIM is the world's leading source for information on air travel requirements, reliable and comprehensive information for people serving the travel industry. An extensive network of sources from the travel industry, immigration authorities, and the World Health Organization ensure reliability and continuity for this unique publication. TIM lists information on subjects such as passport, visas, health regulations, airport tax, customs and currency and duty. Passports. A passport is a travel document usually issued by a country's government that certifies the identity and nationality of its holder primarily for the purpose of international travel. Standard passports may contain information such as the holder's name, place and date of birth, photograph, signature, and other identifying information. Many countries are moving towards including biometric information in a microchip embedded in the passport, making them machine readable and difficult to counterfeit. A passport holder is normally entitled to enter the country that issued the passport, though some people entitled to a passport may not be full citizens with right of abode. A passport does not of itself create any rights in the country being visited or obligate the issue country in any way, such as providing consular assistance. Some passports attest to status as a diplomat or other official entitled to rights and privileges such as immunity from arrest or prosecution. Many countries normally allow entry to holders of passports of other countries, sometimes requiring a visa also to be obtained, but this is not an automatic right. Many other additional conditions, such as not being likely to become a public charge for financial or other reasons, and the holder not having been convicted of a crime, may apply. Where a country does not recognize another or is in dispute with it, it may prohibit the use of their passport for travel to that other country, or may prohibit entry to holders of that other country's passports, and sometimes to others who have, for example, visited the other country. The Travel Information Manual, that is TIM, gives information on passports. The information on passport is given regarding the various countries in the world, and the valuable information shared with regard to exemptions, validity, admission, and transit restrictions and rules for minors, crew, and the military of countries in an alphabetical order. TIM also gives information on visas. A visa, from the Latin charta visa, meaning paper, which has been seen, is a conditional authorization granted by a country to a foreigner, allowing them to enter, remain within, or to leave that country. Visas typically include limits on the duration of the foreigner's stay, territory within the country they may enter, the dates they may enter, the number of permitted visits, or an individual's right to work in the country in question. Visas are associated with a request for permission to enter a country, and thus are in some countries distinct from actual formal permission for an alien to enter and remain in the country. In each instance, a visa is subject to entry, permission by an immigration official at the time of actual entry, and can be revoked at any time. A visa most commonly takes the form of a sticker or stamp endorsed in the applicant's passport or other travel document, or an electronic record of the authorization, which the applicant can print before leaving home and produce on entry to the host country. Some countries do not require visas for short visits. Some countries require that their citizens as well as foreign travelers obtain an exit visa to be allowed to leave the country. Uniquely, the Norwegian Special Territory of Svalbard is an entirely visa-free zone under the terms of the Svalbard Treaty. Some countries, such as those in the Schengen area, have agreements with other countries allowing each other's citizens to travel between them without the visas. The Travel Information Manual gives information on visas with regard to various nations throughout the world. The manual gives substantive information with regard to visas exemption, visas issue, re-entry permits, transit without visa, merchant seaman requirements. Also, other important information is present with regard to various travelers. The information of visa is given alphabetically for the various countries. TIM also gives health information. All the information, advisories, and important formalities for international travel which need to be fulfilled are laid down by the WHO, that is, World Health Organization. The main infectious diseases to which travelers may be exposed and precautions for each are detailed in the Travel Information Manual, that is the TIM. Information on malaria, one of the most important infectious disease threats for travelers. Also, malaria is spread in different parts of the world, and information with regard to it is given in TIM. The infectious diseases included in TIM are selected on the basis of diseases that have a sufficiently high global or regional prevalence to constitute a significant risk for travelers. Also, diseases that are severe and life-threatening, even though the risk of exposure may be low for most travelers. Also, those diseases for which the perceived risk may be much greater than the real risk and which may therefore cause anxiety to travelers. Also, those diseases are included that involve a public health risk due to transmission of infection to others by the infected traveler. Also, information about the available vaccines and indications for the use by travelers is provided in TIM. Advice concerning the diseases for which vaccination is routinely administered, such as diphtheria, measles, mumps, and rubella, pertussis, poliomyelitis, and tetanus, and the use of the corresponding vaccines later in life and for travel are also given. The most common infectious illness to affect travelers, namely travelers' diarrhea, is also covered, because travelers' diarrhea can be caused by many different foodborne and waterborne infectious agents, for which treatment and precautions are essentially the same. The illness is not included with the specific infectious diseases. Some of the diseases such as brucellosis, HIV/AIDS, leishmaniasis, and TB have prolonged and variable incubation periods. Clinical manifestations of these diseases may appear long after the return from travel, so that the link with the travel destination where the infection was acquired may not be readily apparent. The TIM mentions the required vaccinations for such as malaria and yellow fever, risk areas, HIV/AIDS, and other diseases as mentioned by the World Health Organization, and also the recommendations of WHO and useful information regarding passenger health care are also present in TIM. Travel by air and by sea also exposes passenger to a number of factors that may cause an impact on health, such as jet lag, motion sickness, and other psychological aspects. Hence, TIM covers all these aspects. TIM also covers airport tax, a tax which is levied on passengers for passing through an airport. The tax is generally paid for the use of the airport and is one of a number of taxes that are typically included in the price of an airline ticket. It is also known as departure tax. A departure tax is a fee charged under various names by a country when a person is leaving the country. Some countries charge a departure tax only when a person is leaving by air. Various rules apply to the payment of the tax, including payment at the airport to those about to catch a flight, sometimes only in the local currency and sometimes by credit card, or by some prepayment method, or it may be charged to the airlines and included in the airline ticket price. The TIM gives the information by country in alphabetical order along with information on other travel formalities. It gives the amount, place of payment, and possible exemptions for departure tax. TIM also gives information on customs and currency. The customs and currency formalities are also to be considered when a traveler is moving from one country to another. Every passenger entering any country has to pass through a customs check. The passenger has to declare the contents of his baggage in the prescribed customs declaration form at airports in any country. The passenger has the option of seeking clearance through the green channel or through the red channel, subject to the nature of goods he is carrying. For the purpose of customs clearance of arriving passengers, a two-channel system has been adopted. First is green channel for passengers not having any dutiable goods, and second, the red channel for passengers having dutiable goods. However, green channel passengers must deposit the customs portion of the disembarkation card to the customs official at the exit gate before leaving the terminal. Also, the declaration of foreign exchange or currency has to be made before the customs officers, and all these aspects are mentioned in the travel information manual. The information with regard to import and export regulations, pets, wild flora and fauna, and duty free allowances, baggage clearance are also mentioned in TIM. TIM is available by annual subscription, which includes monthly issues. The annual subscription runs January to December of each year. However, subscribers may also order part way through the year at a prorated cost. Single month issues are also available. Timatic, that is Travel Information Manual Automatic. Timatic is the database containing cross-border passenger documentation requirements. Timatic stands for Travel Information Manual Automatic and is used by airlines to determine whether a passenger can be carried, as well as by the airlines and travel agents, and to provide this information to travelers at the time of the booking. This is critical for airlines due to fines levied by immigration authorities every time a passenger is carried who does not have the correct travel documentation. The information contained in Timatic covers passport requirements and recommendations, visa requirements and recommendations, health requirements and recommendations, airport tax to be paid by the traveller at either departure or arrival airport, customs regulations relating to import or export of goods and small pets by a passenger, currency regulations relating to import and export by a passenger, contains requirement for every nationality going to every country, serve as reservation and departure control systems. Timatic was first established in 1963 and is managed by the International Air Transport Association (IATA). Over 60 million travelers have their documentation requirements checked against the Timatic database every year. Timatic sourcing is responsible for developing and maintaining sourcing relations with airlines and immigration authorities, ministries of foreign affairs, and other government departments to ensure the advice provided by Timatic to its users is accurate. It is available in a number of forms, including Timatic, TIM hard copy book, Timatic web, web-based Timatic XML, and IATA Travel Center, which is a consumer web portal. IATA combines to develop new solutions based on Timatic, which are tailored to the needs of airlines, travel agents, ground handlers, and other aviation related organizations. These include Timatic mainframe, that is available in all major DCS and GDS systems, Timatic auto check, an XML based solution which can be integrated into check-in and booking systems, Timatic Web 2, web based solution proving personalized advice on regulations, Timatic Web 2, co-branded and included on your inter or intranet sites, Timatic Script for Amadeus, available for travel agents in the Amadeus selling platform GTS. Travel Information Manual TIM, which is published monthly. It is a paper publication including all Timatic information. Timatic sourcing. To enable airlines and other aviation partners to securely manage the passenger document verification process, Timatic solutions require 100% reliable information. To achieve this, they partner with airlines as well as developing closer bilateral relations with government agencies worldwide. Timatic also invite relevant government bodies to join our extensive sourcing network to ensure that passengers always travel with correct documents. Benefits of Timetic: reduced fines and repatriation costs, reduced operational and staffing requirements, reduced training costs, increased penetration of self-service check-in, enhanced customer experience, partnering for proactive updates. Timetic's vision is to enable airlines and other aviation partners to securely manage the passenger document verification process by providing Timetic solutions containing 100% reliable information. In order to achieve this, Timetic continues to partner with airlines as well as developing closer bilateral relations with government agencies worldwide. Considerable effort is put into convincing governments to proactively send updates on immigration requirements to the Timetic team. This benefits all those involved in the passenger document compliance process, namely airlines, handling agents, airports, custom and immigration authorities, and most of all the passengers. Also, the relevant government bodies are invited to join the extensive sourcing network to ensure that passengers always travel with correct documents. Also, on its websites, the video is there to learn about the benefits of collaborating with Timetic by proactively sending updates. IATA Travel Center. When searching for travel information online, it's important to know that your source is accurate, reliable, and more importantly, up to date. You can count on the IATA Travel Center as your trusted centralized source for the latest international travel requirements. It is the most accurate source available, drawn on a comprehensive database used by virtually every airline and information gathered from over 1000 official sources worldwide. In addition, the IATA Travel Center can tell you more about your destination country, from applicable taxes to currency information and local customs regulations, and it provides useful information on traveler rights. Your bags are packed, you are ready to go, but do not have everything you need to board the airplane. Many travelers are not aware of international travel restrictions and requirements. Things like visitors' visas, foreign entry, and vaccination requirements are just some of the details to verify for successful travel preparation. Unfortunately, many who do check travel requirements consult contradictory or dated sources, resulting in a situation that will still keep them grounded upon airport arrival. When searching for passport, visa, and health information online, it's important to know that your information source is accurate, reliable, and most importantly, up to date. The IATA Travel Center delivers accurate passport, visa, and health requirement information at a glance. The traveler can count on the IATA Travel Center as their trusted centralized source for the latest international travel requirements. The IATA Travel Center is the most accurate source available because we draw on a comprehensive database used by virtually every airline and information gathered from over 1000 official sources worldwide, such as immigration and police authorities. What's more, this user-friendly system is constantly updated, so when you search for destination-specific details, you can rest assured the information returned is both current and complete. What else do you need to know? In addition to travel documents and health requirements, the IATA Travel Center can tell you more about your destination country, from applicable taxes to currency information and local customs regulation. Your IATA Travel Center is your one stop shop for everything you need to know before you go. The IATA Travel Center is a service to provide all the travel requirement information needed to successfully complete an international air journey. Essential information offered includes personalized passport, visa and health advice related to the specific destinations chosen by the user. Information is drawn primarily from the Time or Timetic database, the recognized authority used by virtually all international airlines. Where does the passport, visa and health advice come from? In the IATA Center. The IATA Travel Center is the most accurate, reliable information source available for passport, visa and health requirement advice. Travel requirement information is drawn primarily from the TIM or that is Timetic database, an authority recognized by airlines worldwide to determine documentation requirements based on destination and transit country regulations as well as local immigration and police authorities for hundreds of destinations. IATA's immigration specialists constantly update the IATA Travel Center information. Travelers must realize, however, that rules and regulations change on a daily basis. Possessing the correct documentation does not guarantee entry to a foreign country. Local immigration authorities have complete control whether an individual is granted entry and under what conditions. Visitors lacking sufficient funds, for example, can be refused entry on that basis. Airlines can also refuse to carry passengers according to various guidelines. It is particularly important to recheck requirements close to your departure date since regulations are constantly changing. Also, we should refer to the IATA Travel Center terms and conditions of usage. What search criteria can a traveler use at the IATA Travel Center website? Every year, millions of inquiries pass through the Timetic database service, the recognized authority for documentation requirements. The IATA Travel Center draws from this source, enabling you to access visa, passport and health information based on these personal and destination specific criteria whose information is fed by the traveler online, such as nationality, country of residence, country of birth, date of birth, gender, departure country, transit countries, arrival date, purpose of visit, duration of stay, countries visited during the last 6 days, ID documentation type, ID country of use, and after all this information is fed, then IATA Travel Center gives complete information and solution to the traveler according to his or her itinerary. Now I would like to summarize the entire module. The TIM, that is the Travel Information Manual, gives all the necessary information with regard to air travel requirements. It gives information with regard to passport, visas, health, airport tax, customs and currencies. TIM, that is the Travel Information Manual, has been the trusted name in the air travel industry since 1963, supplying reliable and comprehensive up-to-date country destination information and is published by IATA. Timetic is the database containing cross-border passenger documentation requirements. Timetic stands for Travel Information Manual Automatic and is used by airlines to determine whether a passenger can be carried as well as by airlines and travel agents to provide this information to travelers at the time of booking. It is available in a number of forms including Timetic TIM hard copy book, Timetic web based, Timetic XML and IATA Travel Center, which is a consumer web portal. That's all for the today's presentation. Have a great future ahead.